Direct Express, Direct Express Debit Card Program, P.O. Box 245998, San Antonio, Texas 78224. Monthly Account Statement. Aaron W. Stripling, 425 2nd NW Street, Washington, D.C. 20001 0000. Comerica Bank. To contact us, customer service, telephone number 888-741-1115. Hearing impaired. 8. Telephone number 866-569-0447. International telephone number 765-778-6290. Collect. Visit our website www.usdirectexpress.com. Write to us. Direct Express Car Services, P.O. Box 245998, San Antonio, Texas 78224. Thank you for being a Direct Express card customer. Date range, December 2015. Starting balance, negative $30.80. Credits, $1,466. Debits, $701.31. Ending balance, $733.89. Card number 53328XXXXX4677. Date posted December 1st, 2015. Retailer for the benefit recipients of the account. Transaction type, deposit from SSI. Charges, $0. Credits, $733. Date posted December 2nd, 2015. Retailer 8201 South Dixie Highway, Miami, Florida, USA. Transaction type, ATM cash withdrawal. Charges, $163.50. Credits, 0. Date posted December 2nd, 2015. Retailer GDI Wireless Me, Miami, Florida, USA. Transaction type, cash purchase. Charges, $86.33. Credits, $0. Date posted December 3rd, 2015. Retailer Tom Thumb, 105 Miami, Florida, USA. Transaction type, cash purchase. Charges, $2.13. Credits, $0. Date posted December 3rd, 2015. Retailer USPS 1159010131, Miami, Florida, USA. Cash Transaction type, cash purchase. Charges, $17.16. Credits, $0.00. Date posted, December 3rd, 2015. Retailer, USPS, 11590 10131, Miami, Florida, USA. Transaction type, cash purchase. Charges, $81.87. Credits, $0.00. Date posted, December 4th, 2015. Retailer, the Big Cheese of Miami. Miami, Florida, USA. Transaction type, cash purchase. Charges, $7.08. Credits, $0.00. Date posted, December 4th, 2015. Retailer, CVS Pharmacy, 03704-1421, Miami Beach, Florida, USA. Transaction type, cash purchase. Charges, $37.50. Credits, $0.00. Date posted, date posted, December 4th, 2015. Retailer, Alton Sports in Motion, Miami Beach, Florida, USA. Transaction type, cash purchase. Charges, $38.50. Credits, $0.00. Date posted, December 4th, 2015. Retailer, Starbucks, number 08242, Miami Beach, Florida, USA. Transaction type, cash purchase. Charges, $3.48. Credits, $0.00. Date posted, December 5th, 2015. Retailer, Dunkin' Donuts, number 307873. But this just says Dunkin'. Q, Miami Beach, Florida, USA. Cash purchase, $6.99. Credits, $0.00. Date posted, December 7th, 2015. Retailer, Amazon Marketplace, PMTS, Amazon.com building, Washington, USA. Transaction type, cash purchase. Charges, $4.48. Credits, $0.00. Date posted, December 7th, 2015. Retailer, web.com. Telephone number, 800-311-2707. Florida, USA. Transaction type, cash purchase. Charges, $124.95. Credits, $0.00. Date posted December 10th, 2015. Retailer web.com. Telephone number 800-311-2707. Florida, USA.